Here I am coming with the confusing math problem. We have to find the general solution of this question. And question is d square minus 1 y is equal to x square cos x. I'm going to show both method which you do and which you have to do. So I simply say that true method and the false method. The question is d square minus 1 y is equal to x square cos x. So the auxiliary solution is m square minus 1 is equal to 0. So m square is equal to 1 and this implies m is equal to plus minus 1. Now the complementary function is equal to c1 ex plus c2 e to the power minus x. Now for particular integral pi is equal to 1 upon t square minus 1 x square cos x. Now we know the formula 1 by fd xb is equal to x 1 upon fd b minus f dash d upon f d whole square b. So you use this formula. So x square upon t square 1 upon t square minus 1 cos x minus f dash d is 2d upon d square minus 1 whole square cos x. So this is x square upon minus 1 cos x minus 2d upon this is minus 1 whole square cos x. So this is x square upon minus 2 cos x minus 2d upon 4 cos x. So this is minus 1 by 2 x square cos x minus 1 upon 2. So the derivative of cos x is minus sin x, so plus sin x. So our general solution is y is equal to cf plus pi. So y is equal to c1 ex plus c2 e to the power minus x minus 1 by 2 x square cos x plus 1 by 2 sin x. And this answer is a wrong cause we have a formula of 1 by fd xb, but we have no formula of 1 by fd x square b. So we are going to use a new concept of to solve this question. So for that, first we have to know e to the power I ax is equal to cos ax plus I sin ax. Here real part of e to the power iax is cos ax and the imaginary part of e to the power iax is equal to sin ax. So by using this concept we solve this question. So first we find the complementary function, and for particular integral 1 by d square minus 1 x square cos x equal to cos x is a real part of uh, e to the power ix. So real part of e to the power ix 1 upon d plus I whole square minus 1 x square. cause we know 1 by fd e to the power ax x, then it is to the power ax upon 1 by f d plus a x. So in this case e is equal to I, so we simply use this formula. So this is a real part of eix 1 upon d square plus 2id plus I square minus 1 x square. So this is a real part of eix 1 by d square plus 2id, and I square is minus 1, so minus 1 minus 1 x square. So this is real part of eix 1 upon d square plus 2id minus 2 x square. This is real part of eix 1 upon minus 2 common 1 minus d square plus 2id upon 2 x square. So this is real part of minus 1 by 2 eix. This is 1 minus d square plus 2id upon 2 to the power minus 1 x square. Now we know 1 minus d minus 1 is equal to 1 plus d square plus dq plus dot dot dot. So we simply use this, or this equal to real part of minus 1 by 2 eix. So this is 1 plus d square plus 2id upon 2 plus d square plus 2id upon 2 whole square plus dot 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 x square. This equal to the real part of 1 minus 1 by 2 eix 1 plus id plus d square upon 2, since there is a x square, so we need only double derivative, that is d square, cos dq is equal to 0, dq x square is equal to 0, so we only require d square. So plus 2i d upon 2 whole square plus dot 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 x square is equal to real part of minus 1 by 2 e to the power minus e to the power ix 1 plus id plus d square upon 2, and this is 4 by 4 I square d square plus dot 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 x square. So this is real part of minus 1 by 2 e to the power ix 1 plus id plus d square by 2 minus this is d square plus dot dot dot. So this is real part of minus 1 by 2 e to the power ix 1 plus id minus this is d square by 2 plus dot 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 x square. So real part of minus 1 by 2 e to the power ix x plus x square plus I dx square minus 1 by 2 d square x square plus dot dot dot. So this is real part of minus 1 by 2 e to the power ix x square plus this is 2x I minus this is 1 by 2 into 2 plus 0. So this is a real part of minus 1 by 2 e to the power ix x square plus 2ix minus this is 1 minus 1 by 2 eix is uh, cos x plus I sin x x square plus 2ix minus 1. So this is minus 1 by 2 x square cos x plus 1 by 2, and this is minus 1 by 2 I square 2x sin x. This is simply multiplying real part and imaginary part by imaginary part. So this is uh, minus 1 by 2 common, x square cos x minus, sorry, this is cos x, so this is minus 1 by 2 cos x common, x square minus 1, and this is 2 cancel out, and I square is minus 1, so plus x sin x. So our required answer is y is equal to cf plus pi. So this gonna be c1 ex plus c2 e to the power minus x minus 1 by 2 cos x square minus cos x square minus 1 plus x sin x. So this is the required answer. So this is the true answer and this is the false answer.